You're moving to London, Ontario, perhaps relocating, or you've accepted a job offer or are interviewing for one and you want to know if this is the right move for you. Or perhaps you've just been monitoring the incredible economic and cultural growth the city is experiencing and you want to know more information. In this video, I'll show you 5 things that you need to know as you consider your decision, plus one secret that you may not have heard of before. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you don't know who I am, my name is Omran Sheikh, licensed realtor with eXp Realty and the co-founder of the Agent Tribe. I've been a successful real estate entrepreneur for over 20 years. We use modern tools and strategies to help our clients locally and internationally all over the world to sell, buy, and invest in properties in Ontario. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more videos like this. So without further ado, let's get into the 5 things that you need to know as you consider your decision to move to London, Ontario, plus that one secret that you may not have heard of before. Number 5, incredible economic growth. I consider London to be an innovation hub with companies like Start.ca, Infotech Research Group, Paystone, to name a few, are the companies within the technology sector that are setting up headquarters right here in the city. The opportunity is only just limited by your own ambition. And as far as the manufacturing sector is concerned, we're not just manufacturing the future here. Companies within our advanced manufacturing sector are revolutionizing the way essential products are produced, using advanced processes like robotics, automation, and state-of-the-art technologies. Now, of course, with this development comes a little bit of a cost. London is considered to be one of the highest property tax cities in Ontario. However, don't let that fool you because that's balanced by an overall lower cost of living and a higher quality of life. London is also the birthplace of insulin. That's right. 442 Adelaide Street North is the house that Sir Frederick Banting woke up in 2 o'clock in the morning on the 31st of October in 1920 and came up with the idea that eventually led to the production of insulin. And that, of course, has allowed millions of people all over the world to lead a happy and healthy life. Number 4, location. London exists in that sweet spot between Toronto in the east, which allows you to fly international anywhere in the world, Niagara Falls and Buffalo in the southeast with some of the best shopping in the country, and Windsor, Detroit in the west if you want to fly anywhere in the US without necessarily having to pay the international fares. Nestled beautifully between Lake Huron in the north and Lake Erie in the south, we have access to some of the most beautiful cottage country and world-renowned sunsets and beaches that people from all over the world come to experience. If you open Google Maps and draw a circle worth a couple of hours drive around London, you'll see the accessibility is incredible. And it's not just personal accessibility, but also from a logistics and distribution perspective, the potential for London to become a major hub for e-commerce fulfillment is incredible. This is evident with rumors that a major online shopping center, the largest in the world in fact, is setting up shop by taking over a major site left behind a car maker. Now, just rumors for now, but they're pretty solid. London is ideally located along the 401 highway, which carries $1.5 billion of trade on a daily basis and has access to 150 million consumers within a one-day drive. Number 3, education and healthcare. London has a foundation of highly regarded academic and clinical research capabilities, supported by 2 large research facilities, 2 teaching hospitals, contract research organizations, and an innovative private hub, which we heard about just a few moments ago. University of Western Ontario is London's 4th largest employer with over 40,000 students enrolled. And then, of course, we have Fanshawe College, which offers 200 degree, diploma, certificate, and apprenticeship programs to 43,000 students each year. London Health Science Centre is one of Canada's largest acute care teaching hospitals. St. Joe's or St. Joseph's Healthcare London is one of the best academic healthcare organizations in the country. Number 2, culture and heritage. If you've been in the city long enough, you'll get to hear that London is the biggest small city you've ever lived in. And it's true because after a while, you feel like you get to know everyone. In a good way, of course. And it's very easy to commute. If you come from the GTA or any large metropolitan area, you'll know the frustration of traffic jams and long commutes. If I want to go from London North to the other end of town in the south, it never really takes me more than 20 to 25 minutes to drive there. We have 14 wards in a city this size, which is a testament to the incredible diversity that exists here. The only thing that really divides Londoners is that train that cuts through right in the middle of the city. We have a very vibrant art scene with 6 galleries and venues to showcase our beautiful local talent. And then, of course, there's the Covent Garden Market, a must see, a local tradition since 1845. If you're coming through town, every Thursday evening and Saturday morning, the local farmers market gets set up to showcase and bring food directly from the local farmers, growers, and producers. And if you're in the mood for an immersive theatrical experience, you'll be happy to know that London has a well established theater scene, whether professional or community theater, with 9 venues to suit your taste. Acts like Cirque du Soleil, Riverdance, a number of Broadway shows, live music, comedy, the list goes on. Number 1, nature and trails. London has 4.5 million trees and counting. That's the highest number of trees per capita of any other city in the country. Now, I personally have been to the jungles of South America, Central and Far East Asia, and I can say with confidence that London is within the ranks of thick forests. If you're a cyclist or love hiking, the Thames Valley Trail is a 110-kilometer hiking trail which follows the Thames and North Thames rivers along most of its route. It links the Elgin Trail at the Elgin-Middlesex County line in the south with the Avon Trail in St. Mary's in the north. Now, as a certified hike leader myself, I'm happy to let you know that Thames Valley Trails Association organizes hikes throughout the year. So if you're in town, come on out and look us up. Maybe I'll see you in one of my hikes. At the start of the video, I promised you a secret. Did you know that London is also known as the Forest City? When the founding families were coming through to establish and build our city, they had to travel through significant amount of vegetation and a lot of trees and thick forests, which were used to build many of the communities and homes in the city today. And that's why London is called the Forest City. There you have it, folks. I hope you found this video useful. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the description below. I've included some links that you may find helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.